welcome back to whatever it is I do here. I have been a little Miss Incognito Mosquito within the last, I don't even know how many months. I do miss it, and I do miss making videos, and I really want to start getting back into it. I've had a couple of people reach out through like Instagram and whatnot saying, are you dead? Are you in the hospital? Yeah, I'm totally fine. I don't have like bunions or anything 100%, but I do have something really cool that I've been meaning to install in the R for a couple weeks now. So I was fortunate enough to have been sent these parts from Deutsche Auto Parts. Link will be down below. But basically today we're gonna do the install on the modular shift knobs that they had just recently released. He sent me a couple of different interchangeable options. So I watched the video on Paul going in depth about the ingenuity behind this, and you don't really think about how much engineering goes into one product. Might I say, like, they really did think about everything and anything, just ensuring that the durability of this and the functionality is successful. So I admired watching that. All right, back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. This thing. Okay, so I'm gonna try really hard. I'm making a TikTok and a YouTube video out of this, so it's difficult because I have to keep remembering to like stop my YouTube video and then start filming on my phone too, so I can make a short clip of this and then elongated one with that. You guys ever play Star Wars Battlefront 2 where they were like, no, it doesn't actually look like it. Never mind. I was gonna say they look like the little medic robots, but they don't, and I just like, my brain need to keep my legs down and I need to keep my arm like, so you can see. So I don't know what I'm going to encounter with this shift knob, to be quite honest. Yeah, honestly, if somebody watched me when I was alone by myself, they'd be like, call 911! Call the mental institutions! Okay, so what I'm doing right now, depending on if you have an OEM one or not, I'm removing the zip tie from the other aftermarket shift knob I had in here. Hello, here we go. Here's the lighting we need. Except now my TikTok one, it doesn't look good. You can see this little zip tie here. I'm gonna do some bird chompies on here. Little parrot beaks. Have you guys ever seen the beaks of squids and like how, I mean, there's giant squids out there, as you know, or maybe know, I don't know. They're terrifying. Like, octopuses, not so bad, right? But if you look at a freaking squid's beak, count me out, sir. Like, it's a no for me, dog. Never forget Randy Jackson. Okay, so it looks like these little dudes are securing in the old adapter. Hopefully say, oh my god, you know what, I probably have the Allen key in my center console, unless I just freaking lost it. I'm gonna kick someone in the wiener. Alright, so one of my favorite things about myself is that I'm extremely organized and I rarely lose things. This puppy has been in my center console for 5 years. So here's the deal. This, I really hope this isn't rounded out. No, it's not. I think there's, was there Loctite on this? Oh yeah, there's Loctite. Because, yeah, I remember it kept getting loose, and I think I went back in here and I put red Loctite on. You know what? Just have a fun time here. So I got it loose enough. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad. Okay, so this is such a better angle. I was able to break this one free, so have you ever seen someone take this long to do this? Probably not. You wanna know why? Because they're not filming everything independently. Okay, little dudes, find your home. Alright. Baby, are you down, 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 down? Even if the sky is falling down. Yeah, it's not deep enough to do the spinneroonie on there. Who knows what the spinneroonie is? Comment down below. If you do, you had a good childhood, or manhood. I don't know how old you are. Remember, no Loctite on these. Sounds like a you problem, Kayla. That's because it is. As seen earlier. Oh, chingao de madre. 3 of these options for the faceplate of it. So we're gonna use the white shift pattern with the blue R for reverse, but I think that's kind of cool though, because like I didn't really think about the polysemous meaning behind it. So R for reverse and then Golf R, and then obviously like the Golf R is known for the interior with, you know, the blue highlights. Let's behave a little bit here, you little rascal bitch. Did you see? Okay, I hate my life right now. I'm just gonna start like threading it in with my thumb, and then there we go. Okay, cool. So little dude's ready, and that means we are all set to put him in here, and I'm really nervous because I don't want to die today. So now that we have our shift knob, this magnet is going to attach. Anyone botch that? Leave it to me to botch that. I don't want to die today. Hold up. Got it. So yeah, I'm not here for this. I see. The divot. Yeah, so I managed to pinch my finger, but it wasn't that bad. You can see the indentation. August 18th of 2015. This is so user-friendly. I love it. Okay. Shouldn't I? Yeah, I have 4 screws. Okay. Yep! You know, it'd be smart to have a microfiber or something below. Okay. I thought that was gonna be worse, but it's not. Look at this! We got the Deutsche Auto parts, Holy Shift, and we've also got the modular shift knob. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, I actually really like this. I mean, like, it sounds bad. No, like, I thought, like, from the looks of it, and because he said it was made out of Delrin, I honestly thought this wasn't gonna weigh as much as, you know, like, how I'd prefer. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the stuff with the things and the stuff. Meme of the week is going to be right here. And I will see you in some future videos I have planned coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!